Hello and welcome to ITBS Media. Today I want to discuss how you can remove blank rows from your Excel table, and also I will show you how you can remove every other row from your Excel table if you need to do so. There could be a scenario where you're working on cleaning up your data, and in your table you have to remove blank rows. This video will show you how you can do that. Also, you may need to remove every other row from your table. This video will show you that as well. Now, if today is the first time you're visiting this channel, I encourage you to subscribe and press the notification button so that when we upload new video, you will be notified. And if you have been watching this video on this channel and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, let's start. The first thing you want to do, you want to select a field. So we select column A here, and what we need to do is to filter the field. And once you filter it, the filter button, once you click on it, the filter capability will be able to group the data in that field into different groups. And once the groups are established, you can then remove the blank field. All rows that are blank will be grouped together as blank. So, and that's what we want to achieve. So now we have the filter icon here now. So just open it. You can see the blanks. So we need to uncheck this. We uncheck this. And by the time we click OK, we will see only the rows that are blank and the first row, which is the row with the filter icon there. So the rows that are in this group called blanks will be numbered in blue, and those are the ones you want to delete. That is numbered in blue color. Okay, see? So here we have 6, 11, and 13. Or probably you did not look at it before. Let me check everything and bring it back so that we see. Say our blank field, blank row here is 6, 11, and 13. So let's uncheck these two, and we have 6, 13, 11, and 13. So we can just scroll through this and right click and delete rows. So we go back and uncheck and we check these ones and bring it back. So we see our table is without any blank row now. So that is how to remove blank rows from your Excel table. Now the next thing we want to do is, if you want to remove every other row, so I will look at the starting point as our 1. Let's see how many rows we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 rows, and we want to remove every other row, meaning that we want to leave row 1, we want to remove row 2, we will leave row 3, we will remove row 4. So what we need to do is put our cursor right here and bring up determine what is the row number and assign number to all the rows. So press enter. That tells us that this is row 1, and drag your cursor down up to the last row. So we have 15. Now the next thing we need to do is we insert mode function here. Mode, open your parentheses here, then put -1, comma 2, and close your parentheses. So with this, what this will do is, for every 2 rows, the first row will be numbered 0 for you, and all the rows that are 0 will be alternate rows, because this is 2. So you have, sorry, the first one will be 2 divided by 1. You can't have a complete and perfect division there, so you have 1 will be represented there. But when you have 2 divided by 2, you have 0 there, because nothing remains. And when you have 2 divided by 4, you have complete division, nothing remains. So it's going to be 0 that will be represented there. So what you need to do now is press Control button and press enter. So we see here we have 0, and we have 1, and we have 0, we have 1. So this gives us what we are actually looking for. So now let's go into filtering this table. So we go to sort and filter, and that should sort. Okay, so here now we want to remove, if we want to remove every other row, so that means we will remove all the rows that are 1. And if you want to remove the first row and the third row, then that means you will select, you will uncheck 1 and you will leave 0. If you want to remove the second row, the fourth row, the sixth row, then you will uncheck 0 and you will leave 1 checked. If it is the other way around, you want to remove 1 and you want to leave row 2, then that means you will check 0 and you will uncheck 1. So let's remove 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Let's remove the odd numbers and leave the even numbers now. So that means we will uncheck 1 and we uncheck blank, or if we like we can leave blank. Probably I put my cursor too much, but let's just do that. Do we have a blank in that row? Okay, so now we go. So these are the rows that are to be removed: 3, 5, 7, 1, from 1 like that down. So what we do is pick all this and we right click and delete rows. So we have 1, 2, 4, 6 like that, but it's rearranged now. So let's go back to filter and release. Oh, okay. Filter and filter. So we have these rows left now. This has been rearranged again. So we can delete this, or if we like, we can filter again, depending on whatever we want to do. If we want to filter again, we can go on. That means we still remove more rows from the ones that were even before, but we don't actually need to do that. We already got what we wanted, so we just need to remove this now. Delete, and we have the rows that we need. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.